In this video, we are going to see how we can save the Claude conversations as a PDF document. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. First of all, if you have asked Claude to write an article about something, you will get the article along with the download link, as you can see here. So we can simply click on download and it will start downloading it in an MD format or whatever format you want. But let's say if it is a simple conversation like this one, it might not show the option to download that. So in that case, what you will do is just open up a new tab and right here, Web Store. And just remember that if you're on Chrome, you will search for Chrome Web Store. Otherwise, if you're in Firefox or any other browser, you will search that specific web store like Firefox Web Store, Brave Web Store, and so on. So from here, you will write here Claude to PDF, hit enter. And we need to find the right application. I will use the one with this Claude to PDF with this thumbnail. The icon might be different, but that is from thinksolve.com. It works perfectly fine in most of the cases. Click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. Just wait for it to load, and you might need to reload the browser as well. It will show you how the download options will be shown. So that is perfect. Let's reload the Claude. And now you will notice that with each single conversation, you get the PDF and Word option as well. So click on PDF and it will finalize the export, and immediately you will get this in the PDF form. You don't need to mention any further instructions to convert it into a PDF. You always get that right at the top. So we save this and it looks something like this, which is perfect. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.